Okay, let's look at lesson 4-7. We're going to watch the video.
Amy and Devin count 36 butterflies. Suddenly, more butterflies join them. Now there are 53 butterflies. How many new butterflies join them? You can use a bar diagram to model the problem. Do you need to find the total number of butterflies?
Do we need to find the total? Our question said they found 53 altogether. So that is the total. So we need to find part. 53 is the whole. We have to find the missing part.
No, the total number of butterflies is 53. You need to find the number of butterflies that joined the 36 butterflies already counted. Do you need to find one part or the whole?
I already told you that.
Select your answer.
So this is the whole. 53 is the whole. 36 is one part. We need to find the missing part. So we need to find one part.
The bar diagram shows the whole and one part. You need to find the other part. The equation matches the bar diagram. You can use mental math to find 36 plus what number equals 53. You can count on from 36. Think 36 plus 10 equals 46. Then think 46 plus 4 equals 50, and 50 plus 3 equals 53. Why do you count on to 53?
53 is the whole. That's where we're trying to get to.
You count on to 53 because that is the total number of butterflies. 17 was counted on. So 36 plus 17 equals 53. Which number shows the number of butterflies that joined the 36 butterflies?
Select your answer.
So which did we join the 36 to get 53? So 17.
17 butterflies joined the 36 butterflies. Now check your work. The total number of butterflies is 53, so you can add the parts, 36 and 17, to make sure you get the total, 53.
Checking your work is super important from here until eternity.
36 plus 17 equals 53. The answer makes sense.
If you do not get 53 when you add, then you know you need to find your mistake.
Okay, that's it. So let's look at our workbook. You need to be on page 229. Making notes. Okay, so let's look at this. The second graders take a trip to a nature center. The green class sees 23 animals. I'm going to pick a different color. Sees 23 animals. The blue class sees 14 animals. The yellow class sees 32 animals. How many animals do they see in all? That's our secret word right there. Solve using drawings, models, or an equation. Be prepared to explain your work. So this lesson is solve one-step and two-step problems. So our problems are either going to have one step, hey, we add this to get this, or two steps. So we have 23, 32, and 14. Now, we have done in class this, right? Okay, you can absolutely do that. C in all, meaning we're going to add all of them together. Or to make it a two-step, and there's nothing wrong with breaking it down, you can do this. Okay, I'm going to add these two together first. So 23 plus 14. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, then I have to add in the 32. So I'm just going to add it to the bottom. I'm still adding. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay? That's two steps. This was step 1, and then we added this for step 2. So over here, we can just add it and make it one step. That's okay. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2 is 9 because I'm working on my facts every day. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay? If you need to do this, that's okay. If you can do this, that's okay. So, how many did they see in all? 69 animals in all. Good job. Go to the next page. Okay, guided practice. We are not going to do the top. That's our video that we watched today. So, use bar diagram and mental math to solve. We're going to solve it however we want to solve it. 29 red marbles, 7 green marbles, and 11 blue marbles. How many marbles are in the bag? So we're going to add them all together. So they've done that for you. I'm not going to trace it because it would look horrible. You go ahead and trace it. Okay? How many in all? So this is the bar diagram. This is not, that's just an equation. And then here's the equation written over here like this. So they've already kind of done this and regrouped it for you. So 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 7, 17. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Don't forget your carryover. That's 4. Okay. So in the bar diagram, 47 would go here. That's our whole. Okay. If we traced all these out, 47 would go here. It's just showing you all the different ways that you can solve. And then, of course, we have 47 marbles. Okay. So let's look at this one just because. Suppose you count 28 butterflies, then suddenly there are 54. How could you use mental math? So we started with 28 and we ended with 54. We're working into subtraction. That's what we're going to do after winter break, okay? So we could use mental math. We know 28 plus 10 is what? Counting by 10. So if I were 10, 20, 30. So same thing. 28, 38. Right? Okay. If I added another 10, I still wouldn't be to 54. So I'm going to do that. So 38 plus 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 28, 38, 48. Okay. Now, if I added another 10, I get to 58. We don't have that much. So I'm going to go 48. And I'm going to go 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Plus 6 equals 54. But I have to know how many I took from 28 to get to 54. So that's where we're going to take 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, 10, 20, plus this, 6, so 26. So 28 plus 26 equals 54, okay? That's just showing how to do that. Pause, write that down. let's look here. So use the bar diagram in mental math to solve each problem, then check your work. So this is the check. Oh, oops. Okay. 29 students are on the bus. So I'm going to underline that. Then some more students get on the bus. It doesn't tell us how many, it just says some more. Now there are 46. So how many students got on the bus? So 29 is a part. So I'm going to put 29 right here. 46 is our whole. So I'm going to write that up here. Now we have to figure out how many. So we have 29 equals 46. Okay, so let's do mental math. 29, let's go up 10. 29, 39. Okay, so we've added 10. I'm just going to keep track over here. So we're at 39. Then I'm going to go 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Well, 7. So we added 17. So now we're going to check it. To check, we're going to write 29 plus 17. 9 plus 7. 16, 2, 3, 4. So we are correct. 46 students. Okay. Ella has 34 more buttons than Julio. Julio has 49. How many buttons does Ella have? She doesn't have 34. She has 34 more. So we don't know the whole. We know Julio, she has 34 more than Julio. So we know Julio has 49. And Ella has 34 more. So we just have to add those, okay? So 49 plus 34. Let's do mental math. 49, we're going to count by tens 3 times. We're going to add 30. 49, 59, 69, 79. Then we're going to add 4. So we have 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we're going to write down 83. And then we're going to add to check. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Write my 10 and then my 1s. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 83. Okay. Let's look at the next page. Let's look at homework. We don't like that. Okay. So that's it for today. Go click on the Seesaw link and do your Seesaw practice. Okay, guys?